Yo, what's up?
Yo.
My name's Khalid. I'm an artist from El Paso, Texas, 22 years old. And fun fact, I lived in Germany for 6 years. I'm so excited to be a part of Team Galaxy. I get to kick it with my homies, Millie, Bobby Brown, and Myth. Oh my God, it's amazing, super lightweight, and the camera is beautiful. And it's in my favorite color, copper, which is crazy. Oh! And it says right on the screen, act like I'm skilled with the drawing techniques real quick. Hey, hey, hey. A masterpiece, look. I love you guys. You know what? I'm gonna write the first thing that pops into my mind right now. You ready?
I already see what you wrote.
What did I write?
Through your mind.
How did you know? That's crazy. One of my favorite features on the phone is the voice memo. Look, watch it. The music that I love to make the most has to be emotional and sad music. Look.
Wow. Yo.
Yeah, I usually start with the melody. Let me show you right now. Da 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 da. Da da da. Sounds cool, right?
Yeah.
First, I'm gonna upload those selfies I took earlier, then I'm gonna go kick it with the homies.